Tim.
TJ, was that good cake?
Yeah.
Did you have a good birthday day?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you like seeing Elmo?
Yeah.
Who
Dad,
else did
you're
you
not a
see?
police because you don't have the badge.
So, I have a hat.
No, you're still not a police.
I have a hat. TJ, who else did you see today?
Elmo.
Elmo and who else from Sesame Street?
Pip.
Big Bird and who else?
No. Cookie Monster. Yeah.
Who?
Cookie Monster. Cookie.
Did you see Oscar?
Yeah.
Who is Oscar?
No.
Is he the
Hey,
Grouch?
go away. Bye.
Who else did you see?
What's the girl with the ballerina tutu?
No.
The yellow.
Zoe?
Zoe.
You saw Zoe?
Yeah.
What about the blue fuzzies?
Pig.
Big Bird. What about Rosita?
Did you see, what's the bear's name?
No.
The brown bear, what's his name?
No.
You don't know?
Baby. Bear.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Bear.
Baby Bear?
Yeah.
Baby bear, oh.
Tell Daddy.
What did you see?
Bird.
Big Bird.
Big Bird?
Yeah.
What about Grover?
Bye.
Bye.
He got off the walkie-talkie.
Who's liking her cake?
Man!
Is she make a big
Miss.
mess?
Kaylin, you're making a big mess. Hello?
How old are you today, TJ?
Hey, TJ, how old are you today?
How old are you?
How old are you? Come in, TJ.
3!
How old?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. Bye. You have to say over and out.
Yeah.
10-4.
Love the hat, Daddy.
Yeah, I'm a police officer.
And I'm a girl police officer.
Yeah.
You are?
And I'm a boy police officer.
The yellow beard.
What, TJ? Are you a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy. What's KK?
Girl.
Girl. What's
Hello?
Aslan?
Come in, Fire Chief TJ. Fire Chief TJ, are you there?
Yeah.
You there?
Are you there, Fire Chief?
Excuse me, but I don't want
Hey,
any
Fire
more
Chief.
cake.
Are you done
Okay.
with your cake?
Yeah.
Can I have your cake, Fire Chief?
No. You can have my cake.
I can have Aslan's cake?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to eat her cake. Over and out.
Yeah.
She didn't even eat the yellow balloon.